Hey guys, Esbit type stove, wood pellets, sanitizer to start it. I might use these also. Sometimes they're hard to start. Just want to show you, I've done this before and all my stoves burn pellets, but Ken Survival had something, and I said, let me do it again. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cook one little bit of catfish that I got. I said in my last videos, I'm going to get some catfish. My son-in-law, we went out, we got some catfish. So I put that on. So it was just like a little appetizer, teaser. Let's see, we'll cook some catfish over the Esbit stove with pellets. Burning already. We'll see how it goes. If not, I'll use a solid one. But it's burning on this side, so now it's burning on that side too. You can't see the flame, but it's burning. But what you want is good space. You know, the high, on top. I got a west wind coming this way, so I'm going to feed it in this way. Normally you bank it a little bit, so that's what I'm going to do. On my everyday carry here, I'm going to shut this off, and looks like it's burning, but some olive oil, and got the catfish here. Got my dogs around, I got to watch them. So in here what I got is cornmeal, Old Bay, sea salt, pepper. Just a little bit of catfish, just a little appetizer here. And that's because I'm going to put this before showing you fishing at night. Now when we were catching the fish, when I caught a nice big one, you didn't see when we're bringing it in and all that stuff, because my son-in-law, I was instructing him to get the net. In other words, I was quite excited. So, and he was too. And it's in the dark, we got the net, we did the whole bit. But it's starting to burn pretty good. I would like to bank it a little more, maybe I put a little too much in there. But it's lighting up real nice, man. I'll get back to you. I got my little Ikea Kinder pan here, like a mini wok. I'm going to put that on there, fits right on there. I'm going to cook the catfish. This is an appetizer, because I want to make grits, catfish, another New England specialty, and there's something else. If I got to start writing stuff down, but yeah, I want to do something with that. Not a Canteen Cup Tuesday, although I got my Pathfinder top on my canteen here with some tea in there. I got some Georgia Land and Candle Major Merritt's hot sauce. Alright, got that at the fair. Veteran owned. I've had it before. It's good. I picked up a couple bottles. And it's good stuff. That's going to go on the catfish after. But yeah, I don't want anything to happen to that. Hot sauce. But it's burning pretty good. So I'll let it go a little bit, and I'll get back to you, man. I'll test this a little bit. Yeah, looking good, man. Oh yeah. There we go, man. Drop this cat in there. Oh yeah, sounds good, man. Drop the cat in there. Drop the cat in the oil. Cool. She's frying up. And just wait a little bit. And of course, I eat with a silver plated fork. It's cooking good, man. It's cooking good. Oh yeah. Now I think I put a little too much too many wood pellets in there. I like it low and kind of bank it, and it's good. But she's burning good. She's gonna burn a long time. I've done them with the real small stoves. One time I did a video burning wood in an Esbit stove, which you can't do. This is fine. Don't want this too long because I got the little catfish thing coming up. This is just an appetizer. Now, when I cook the grits, I'm going to have to consult with my cousin Vinny on how long to cook the grits. That's the proper way to do it. Now, I ain't a Ute anymore. I'm not a Ute. But my cousin Vinny, I gotta check it out, man. See how long to cook the grits when I do cook the grits. This is just an appetizer. Let's turn these. See what we got here, man. So yeah, it's cooking up. Oops. Oops. Down here a little bit. It's cooking good. Oh yeah. Then when I'm done, I'll get back to you when I'm done. When I'm done, I'm going to put the tea on and have some tea afterwards. I got more food inside. We have picnic and stuff. I got a lot leftovers, so I'll get back to you. Yeah, man, this catfish is done. Let me just, oh yeah. Oh, good stuff, man. Let's take it off. A little bit I made. Now, I do have some oil here. Sick. This is still burning. It's been burning for a very long time. So, I'm just going to pour it on here to hell with it. Don't want to generate dishes, so I'll just cook it right in here, you know. But, yeah, man. And it's going to burn a long time here. I suppose I should try it without the, oh, this is nice, man. Look at that. Look at that. Nice. Very good. About hot sauce. We're cool here, man. So, cool. It's an appetizer. So, canteen cup on there. See, I got the west wind coming in this way. But there we go. That's made my tea. That's about it for this segment. But yeah, we got some good catfish that night. The next video after this will just be some scenes along the shore. Then we'll see what happens. Do want to try this out. Thank you for coming along. Damn. Still pretty hot, temperature-wise. Most of the fish we get, we throw back, but we did keep some. Cook some catfish. I got catfish, I got porgies, I got bluefish, I got black sea bass. Lots of fish. Clam chowder, oyster chowder, I got all this stuff, man. But it's cool. As you can see, it's still burning pretty good. It's gonna burn a long time. I'll let you know in the video how long this burns a long time. Esbit stove, wood pellets. I've done it before, but this is before I was on YouTube. You can burn wood in there, you can burn pellets. Solid fuel, of course. If you're backpacking, you're in the mountains or whatever, it says no fires, my recommendation, go with gas. Alcohol can tip over, even though it's great, unless you use it in the winter. Could start a fire. So you don't want to do that. Because when you Eskimo, fingers looking good, man. So you take it easy. Still burning good, man. Cooking my tea.